How to change Snapchat Bitmoji gender. So first off, I'm going to click on my profile icon in the top left corner. Then from here, we want to select settings in the right corner. Then scroll down until we see Bitmoji. It should be on top of cameos. And from here, as you can see, we don't have the option to change our gender. Even if we click on edit my Bitmoji, we cannot change the gender itself. So what we have to do is instead unlink my Bitmoji. Then it's going to remove all of your changes. Just click on that and then you click on create my avatar. And from here, you are given the option to choose your gender. So if you want to be either female or male, you select accordingly the Bitmoji. And you have to create it from the start, from the ground up again. So that is how you do it. That's how you change your gender on Snapchat Bitmoji. If this video helped you out, leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.